How to contact Grubhub Customer Support. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can contact Grubhub Customer Support. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, if you open up your Grubhub app and log in into your account, you'll need to head over to the bottom right corner of your account. So here you'll find your account management settings, and if you scroll down, you'll find the support section. Here, you'll find different options, but not a way to directly contact the support. So what you'll have to do is head over to the web, any web browser, and on any web browser, you can then search for Grubhub Support. So let me search for Grubhub Support. And after searching for that, it will show me this. So this is basically the customer service. You'll find the number. It's all available on the web. You can call in this number as well, or you can contact Grubhub Support. So let's tap on this. And this is about.grubhub.com. And if you scroll down here, you can see different options for Grubhub. You can see customer care at the bottom. Let's head over to Help Center. Tap on it and you'll be redirected to the Help Center of Grubhub. So let that load. And there we go. Now you'll have to sign in, and after you sign in, you can basically contact with Grubhub Support. And you can report any problem that you have. You can report any issue that you're facing in the app or the website or with your account, and that's basically it. So you can either call them or you can simply visit their website. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.